You might think I'm crazy, but I like to shop the restore to resell on eBay.
Simple sales for good profit.
Paid $6 for these 3 plates at the restore. Muirfield Magnificence Gold, yes, real gold embellished salad plates. And they sold for $30 plus shipping. As you can see, I separated these plates on my shelf with styrofoam plates. I do this all the time. In fact, I use these also for shipping. But because these plates have this beautiful gold, gilded, I should say, design on the rim here, I am going to give a little extra protection. So I have some foam sheets. I'm just going to fold this in. I'm not going to tape it, and I'm going to put a plate on top. And then the next one, layering the styrofoam plate, the foam, and the plate that we sold. Just do the same thing. And then finish off with another styrofoam plate. I guess I could turn this so they all go pretty much the same direction. The corners are all together. The reason I wanted to give the extra protection is because I'm going to tape these together. Using a long piece of masking tape, I'm pressing this down gently. I'm going to wrap this around to the bottom, like so. Then do the opposite side, again wrapping it around, making sure they're snug, but without too much pressure. Let's do it again. And opposite side. So by using the foam wrap, I haven't touched the plates at all. Okay, now let's wrap this in the next layer. Let's see if 2 sheets are going to make it. Yes, they will. So I'm going to cross-lace and bubble wrap 2. 2 sheets going one direction and 2 sheets going the opposite direction. Trying to center them up. Lots of protection. And add some tape. I think I'll tape these down too. Okay, let's take a measurement just to see what we need for box. I need to allow some room around. I'll be right back. I have a 12 by 12 by 6 box that I like to use. Oh, and let's put the thank you note on here. Let's do a test fit. I still have plenty of room, but that's okay because I need to cushion this all the way around. I have some air pillows. I found that for a 12 by 12 box, 2 sections of 4 works great. I still need to put some packing around the perimeter. I too use my affiliate links, so I got some Amazon pack and ship supplies in, and they give me lots of air pillows, so I'm going to recycle these. Put them to good use. Sometimes you have to lift things up to get the air pillows in place. I think that's pretty good. These are harder to tear than the ones I use. A little tougher. I think I like mine better. Oh, did I just lose air in that one? What do we say? If it's free, it's for me. Take one out. A little pressure, because the air pillows will condense a little bit. It's intentional that they are not completely filled with air. You know, I didn't do the shake test, but it feels good. Sometimes I add tape on the sides if it's puffing up a little bit here. See how easy that was to pack? And then I put the first and last initial of the buyer, CH, going to Oklahoma. That way, when Mark runs the labels, we make sure we don't mix anything up.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.